what's up guys? So we're back again to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates and for the future reference. So this time another cryptocurrency gaming application that I'm gonna show to you, so you could learn and earn. So stay tuned and keep on touch in my videos, and don't skip it and finish it until the end. So let's start. So this game name Crypto Connect 3, so you can sign in on Google or you can sign in Facebook. So click this button so you can start. So as you can see here, this game interface of this application, and click this button, click this eye icon. So this is how it works, or how to play this application. So connect 3 or more coins to destroy them, complete the mission to proceed. So there is a mission you need to complete before you go to the next stages. So okay, click here. So you can see here also the more PhD application that you would play and earn and learn. So click this. So this is your lives or HP. So the maximum you can get here is 10, and click here. So it is the premium upgrade. So upgrade your current adventure to premium and receive the following rewards and perks. So instant reward 1680 PhD, 3 times PhD rewards per level. So free game reset worth $1 if you want to upgrade. So, and you can see here the gold star. Click the plus sign. So you can see here you can purchase it. So that's the star coins, and this is your wallet, the PhD wallet. So click the wallet sign. So before you withdraw in this application, you should complete all 100 levels so that you could withdraw your balance account. So let's start on how to play this game. So this time I'm at the level 33. So before that, if you get that kind of star, so it means you would earn 20 PhD. So 1 star correspond to 10 PhD, 2 stars correspond to 20 PhD, and 3 star the maximum we could earn 30 PhD. So that's the system of how you earn here. So click level 33. So there's a mission. So collect elements. So 2 keys and 2 blocks. So press that button, and there's also powers here that you could use. So click. So all you have to do is to connect all the same symbols. The goal is to reach these elements to go down here. So that you could go to the next stages. Level completed. So that's simple and easy as that. So 20 PHT I earned because I got only 2 stars. So another, so remove all blocks. So you should remove all these blocks. So level completed. So those remaining moves will explode. So I got only 20 PHT. So it adds here in your wallet account. So as you can see, it refills your lives. So you can come back here tomorrow, another day, to play again. So that is how this application works, and I hope you enjoy and like, and you satisfied for this video that I show or inform to you that this application is totally enjoyable and legit. So after I finished those all levels, so I could see the payment proof from this application. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. So Thank you guys and God bless. See you sa next video na i-upload ko.